been trying to do crochet afro kinky on my hair for so long, and I decided to take that bold step and do it in this video. I don't know what the outcome is going to look like. I don't know if it's going to be a hit or a miss, but whichever one it is, we are going to see at the end of this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Join the family so I can continue to create content like this. So, like I said, I don't know if it's going to be a hit or a miss, but whichever it is, you're going to watch till the end. As you can see, I'm parting my hair. Some of these parting inspirations, I got some of them on Pinterest and some other ones on YouTube, which is like our master class. If you are a DIY girl, if you're somebody that do your hair by yourself, YouTube is your master class. Everything you want is on YouTube, so go and watch it. So, but I'm going to be showing you guys how the pattern looks like. It is not perfect. This is my first time of ever trying afro kinky crochet on myself, so the braid pattern is not perfect. So I know you guys are going to laugh, or maybe some of you will have jump scare when you see it, but manage it with me. It's actually my first time of making this pattern without the help of anybody, and I didn't even have to screen my camera to my TV to do this. I just did it mentally with my head. So after parting it, I'm just going to go all in with the hairstyle. So we're going to see what it looks like at the end of the day, and we're going to know if it's actually a hit or a pass. So stay tuned, go nowhere, and enjoy. It did not go well. It's actually a miss. I didn't get it this time around. It came out very, very full. I couldn't deal with it, so I had to take it out, but I'm going to be trying it again. So look out for that video and subscribe if you've not. So this is our reality as hair content creator. This is actually unfiltered. I lose the hair that same night. So you see my reality. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.